Hey my cuties and beauties, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Q here at Q Naturally Lovely Q. I'm changing things up a little bit with my videos, and today we got some nail mail, y'all. I've been getting a couple of packages in the mail and I've just been saving them all up so I can do this video and show you guys all the goodies that I recently bought. It's not a whole bunch. Like I said, I'm getting ready to move and I don't want to have a whole bunch of stuff to pack up. So the little that I am getting here is probably gonna be my final order from Amazon for a little while. So ordered this stuff a little while back and I've just been waiting to get everything in the mail. It didn't take that long, like a couple days. So I've just been piling it up with the rest of my nail stuff, just waiting to be able to have everything and then do this video. And I've got a bunch of goodies here for y'all today. So these were like 4 different things. I want to say either 3 or 4 different things that came in this package that I felt like was essentials that I needed. So that way I can create future looks and stuff like that. And all of these are things that I didn't have. Now this here is a set of nail art stickers and I believe it was like 12 of them, and I'll make sure I put all of the links in the description so that way you guys can get on Amazon if you like any of this stuff and purchase whatever you need or want from what I have. But it comes with this little instruction kit on how to apply these stickers, and they're all different types of butterfly stickers. Y'all, I love butterflies and dolphins, so this was like a no-brainer for me to pick this up. They came with like just the sticker pieces. Some of them have cute little sayings like I love you and things like that, and then some of them came like in the form of a nail shape like this set right here. So it's almost like you can do a full coverage on the nail if you wanted to, but a lot of these were just so pretty because some came with flowers, some came with big, small types of butterflies, different sizes, different roses. One of them I think came with like a little suitcase and some high heels, which I thought was cute. And I was really happy to see this one and the one right behind it because they're purple and purple is my absolute favorite color. So I was really glad to get this. This is the one that had like the little suitcase and like some high heels and stuff. And they all have like different cute sayings that says butterfly, beautiful, and things like that. So this one I was really happy to get. See, this one has some bows and stuff on it. So I was really happy to get this because I can do this on a set and then use this for my girls whenever they want to get their nails done and stuff. So happy to get these in the mail. So yeah, this video is just basically going to be about the different things that I got. I was just counting them out to see how many I had. I want to say it was like 12 or 15 in this little pack, but it's basically going to be about everything that I received recently, things that I felt I needed or wanted. It may be, I'm not going to be definite on that, it may be my last order for a while, depending on how fast the stuff would ship. But we'll see. Fingers crossed. I'm not gonna promise anything just yet. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see that I recently received my Red Iguana practice hand, but I'm holding out on using it, and it's so hard holding out on unboxing and using this practice hand because I'm saving it for when I get to my new home and be able to have my nail room. But I bought this little ring to go with the practice hand as kind of like a little accent piece for her. And I was struggling to open this bag. I don't know what was going on, but I was struggling to open this bag, which is crazy. So I had to get some help with the scissors here. But it was a really cute ring. I thought it was very pretty. And of course it had to be rose gold because I love rose gold. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the stone in purple, but that little cute letter Q is there for my channel name and also my name. My name is Kita Maria. It's a very long name, but it begins with a Q. and I was just trying it out to see how it looks on me. It's not supposed to be like a full fingered ring like my wedding ring that you see there. So I think this will be really cute on my practice hand. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna name her, but I think I'll wait until I get ready to start using her, and maybe y'all can help me figure out what her name is going to be, guys. That would be so much fun. I would really like to get y'all's input. Any cue names that y'all can come up with will be fun and interesting to see. So this little kit, I really wanted this for two things in this kit. Number one, the opal stones that came with it, and those white trays that came with it. Now these two sticks and those two pink squares, I have no idea what they are or what they're used for. So if y'all can drop a note in the comments and let me know what they are, what they're for, I'm probably gonna research it as well. But it's good that I have it, I guess. We'll see. But I really like that I was able to get two of these trays, so that way I can like use one for the finer glitters and then one for the stones to be able to scoop that stuff back into the containers that they belong in. So now let's get into these stones, guys. I didn't want to open it and spill it everywhere, but these stones were so beautiful. This one is a clear opal effect stone. It was very shimmery and pretty. It also came with a blue one, which is so cute. It reminds me of baby boy blue. It is so pretty. I was mesmerized by this green. It wasn't as much of an emerald green, but it was still stunning at the same time. I really liked it. And then the last one that came was pink. That's so cute. I'm definitely going to use these in a set in the future. I have ideas in store for everything that I bought. I don't just buy randomly. I buy with a purpose. And this came with a ton of stuff for the price that I got it for. So I was really happy about that. So everything that you guys see here, I will be using it in future videos. If you haven't noticed, if you're my subscriber and you haven't noticed, I drop a video every Tuesday and Thursday. So keep looking out for that, you guys. A new video is going to be coming soon. This one right here, I got these again for an intended purpose. And I felt like I got so much for the price. There was some spillage in here, so I didn't want to open up each compartment to show you guys. But these are all holographic, like, I guess, not glitters. Like, they were different things. Like, there were some stars, some hearts, some rhombuses, some smiley faces, dolphins. What else was there? Unicorns. There was like some hollowed hearts, like they were like cut out. It was so many different things, little dots and stuff. And you can see this was the one that spilled. There was like some in the bag, some in this little container, some even got on the table, which is fine. But I really got these for the hearts and the stars. But I'm happy that I got all of these different, pieces with it, different shapes and stuff, circles and stuff like that. So this again was a big amount for what I paid for it. So that again will be in the description box if you guys want to, head to Amazon and get it. But the hollow effect, oh my gosh, look at that. That's just so cool. It's so pretty. The hollow effect on this. I feel like I want to use that more than using polygel, and you get so much in the container. This one, I can't remember if this was 50 mLs or what, but it's a pretty good size container. And a friend of mine has spoken to me about IBD before. She said that's the only type of set she gets done. So I wanted to get a clear, because with clear you can mix it with anything and, you know, create colors. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I got a clear, because I could not find a Mia Secret clear at all. And this container is way bigger than the Mia Secret container that I purchased. So I'm gonna do a video on this so you guys can see. Probably I might do it on myself, I don't know yet, or use it in a bunch of videos. You know, we'll see what happens. But I was able to open this and, you know, kind of check out the consistency and the settling properties on this product, and it's just the same as the Mia Secret builder gel that I did in my most recent video of me, well, my first ever video of me using hard gel. And you guys will see, like, the faster it runs, there's no settling properties. A medium run, it has some settling properties. No run at all, like, it has a ton of settling properties. So when you flip that hand over to build that apex with the nail, you're definitely going to know that this product is not going to be running all over the place, and you're going to be able to create beautiful nails with it. So yeah, the video that I watched on using hard gels was the Young Nails video, and Tabitha Scott, she's also a big YouTuber. She has a ton of videos, and it seems to me like her go-to is hard gel. So check out her videos. I really like her videos if you're trying to learn how to use hard gel. So guys, I've been waiting on this for a while. Fruit pieces, these Fimo pieces, it's 3,200 pieces in here, all different kinds of fruits that you could possibly think of. I already have an idea in mind for this set, so I'm excited to get, you know, this package in the mail with all these fruit pieces, because I've been waiting to create a fruit set, and I think I have a pretty classy yet fun idea of how I'm gonna do this. So it came with some strawberries, apples, oranges, bananas, grapes, watermelons, all kinds of stuff. And again, for the amount that I got with the price that I paid, it was a really, really good deal. So get that if you guys can. So I know somebody will probably be like, you know, how's she doing nail videos and her nails aren't even done? But you guys, I'm in the military and I can't do all these fun and wonderful things that I would love to do on myself and not a practice hand. So please don't judge me about my nails. They are the way they are, because just having them plain and natural is better than, you know, trying to do something with my nails and being out of military regulations. So don't come for me too hard, y'all, with that. But this next package I was most excited about, because I've been wanting foils for so long. Like, I was so overjoyed. Please forgive my camera for starting to act crazy the closer I brought this bottle to the frame. But it's the XJ something star glue that came with this. And again, for the price that I paid, I got a ton of stuff in this kit. It came with this cute little nail file. Don't know what I'd use it for, but it's there. If my daughter wants it, she can have it for her nail videos. It comes with a cuticle cleaner, I guess. Definitely not going to use that. I'm kind of scared of that little thing. It comes with this cuticle pusher that you can also double to kind of smooth down the foil on the nails once you've applied the star glue. It comes with a pair of safety scissors, because it has that rounded top, which is really good. I'm glad to get another set of scissors in my nail kit. And it comes with this like tweezers kind of thing, which again, I'm glad to get this because this will help me with the placement of my stones and crystals. And here it is. It comes with 2 bottles of the XKJ Star Glue. I've heard of my YouTube buddy Nail Chronicles using the Star Glue. I'm not sure if this is the same one that she uses, but I'm so happy to get this. Even though I'm not a cutesy flowery type of girl or pink type of girl, this was so pretty and eye-catching to me. And I know for a fact I'm probably going to use all of these foils in a set, whether it be in the near future or later on down the line, because I got so much for the money that I spent. This was really pretty. It was like a blue and green foil, flowers again. So this whole like box right here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 came with all these flowers. And then this other 10-piece set came with like Milky Way starry kind of effects. This one had some flowers. There was 2 that had butterflies, which was so cute. Again, y'all, I love butterflies and dolphins, and I love anything purple. So I was happy to get this because there was so many tones of purples in here. That one was really pretty. So I was happy to get this. I was also feeling that orange and yellow foil next to this one that I'm putting back that also had butterflies. I just thought it was really cute. This one was very pretty because it had like this reindeer on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it had this beautiful reindeer, and I thought that was super cute. So yeah, I thought that I got so much for what I paid for with this kit. And even though we're coming to a close, I was happy to get all of the goodies that I got because I have my notebook that I write all my ideas for sets that I want to do. And everything that I purchased was purchased for a purpose, not for waste. And again, I'm still not trying to get a whole bunch of stuff before I leave, but this may be my last order. I don't know. There's like a couple more things that I really want to get. But yeah, everything again will be in the description box. So that way you guys can head on over to Amazon if you see anything that you liked that I got, and y'all will definitely be seeing all of these things, all of these items that I purchased in future videos. So with everything that's going on in your life, everything that's going on in the world, know that God loves you. Continue to be blessed, stay blessed, love each other, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.